Hello guys. In this video we will solve the video call problems in WhatsApp, all WhatsApp call problems. All you have to do is follow these steps explained in this video. Before we start the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let's begin the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your phone's settings. After that, tap on Applications, then tap on Applications again. Then tap on the three small dots here, and then tap on Reset App Preferences to Default Settings. As you can see here, if you have any problems with the applications or restrictions in the applications or anything else, it will be solved and nothing will be deleted. This is the first step. The second step, my friend, is to search for the WhatsApp application among the applications we have. After that, tap on Permissions, then tap on each permission one by one and grant it all the permissions it needs for the microphone and the camera. After that, my friend, here we will tap on Battery Optimization and we will disable the Battery Optimization feature. When you enable the Battery Saver feature in WhatsApp, it restricts the operation of some functions and features in calls, and therefore causes you problems. So, do not enable Battery Saver in WhatsApp. After performing these steps, restart your phone. A simple step, but it is very important and necessary to restart your phone.